Kling 2.6 just made motion capture way too easy. Check it out.
Come on, let's give it a try. Wow.
This is really
smooth.
I love it.
As you've seen in the Kling video, you see that they were able to transport any person to any other person, whether it's just you sitting at a desk doing a talking head video, or even if it's fast-paced action where you saw the baby doing the same type of karate pose as the animation, or even something as high octane as like basketball doing dribbling and practices. You can also do that as well. This is Kling Video 2.6 motion control, where you can do full body motions, body movements capture in stunning detail, fast and complex actions. They also said it has flawless hand moves and expressive faces. And I think it's really good because you do see how the clothes do actually move around based on the movements happening. Here is one by the community where you see the process of using the motion control, where you have an original driving video and then you add an image of whatever you want. It has to be like a person in some type of environment, and it kind of overlays this person on top of the other person and changes the environment, so it's actually guiding the entire movement itself, as you see with this person breakdancing here. And the breakdance isn't too bad, especially because that breakdancing is very high octane. You can definitely tell that it's breaking down a little bit as the motions become a little bit more complex. But we see here where it's this Pixar looking character dancing, and it looks pretty smooth. And this is a Kling video as well, and it is this one right here by the community member, and the dances are pretty good. You can see how well defined the hands are, but it does get a little blurry, I feel like, once the movements become a little bit faster. But these aren't actually too bad. Another person did a Christmas style dance movement with Kling motion control, and it looks actually pretty good. As you see, this person is in a Mrs. Claus type of dress and is dancing. I want you to pay close attention to how the hair as well as the dress is moving, and how it can even switch to Santa Claus seamlessly, because basically you can generate another video using Santa Claus and just go ahead and just cut the video out. Also want to show you this one where they're using Kling motion control, and I think that this shows a lot better, where you see that they're just running the same generation over and over again with different characters, and they're switching in between them pretty seamlessly, where you see they're using Chainsaw Man, they're using Spirit and other anime girls, and it's pretty darn good. It's even doing different art styles, how they did JoJo Bizarre Adventures and other type of anime styles. This is another one where it looks like this is coming straight from a movie, where this person's boxing this bunny, but you can change it into this gym video. And there's also a few other ones here where they do the Wolf of Wall Street type of movie, but then they use like a Jamie Foxx or a different person altogether to layer on the face. And they're just taking kind of movie versions and then kind of the person with a different famous character, which shows kind of the power of the Kling 2.6 motion control. There's even one where like even high octane as far as the movements go, where it's this person who's like posing with a bow and arrow, different weapons, and they're showing this person like it could be like 1-to-1 with maybe instead of like weapons they can use like staff, and it looks pretty good if you see her moving and posing with these weapons, and it looks really good to say the least. Another person did one with like Zootopia, where they switch between the fox and the rabbit as they're dancing, and you get to see like characters and how well they interact with the different dance moves. And I think this is pretty good. I think WAN 2.2 has a very good motion control, and there's even Runway ML that has decent motion controls too. But it's also cool to see that we have a lot more competition when it comes to that, and a lot more opportunities to use different motion controls to see how it actually comes out. Do you think that Kling 2.6 motion control is a complete game changer and it's something you can use in your workflow? I definitely encourage you to use it. With that being said, your boy Dex9 Dexter out.